This thing is insane. This is like the Ferrari of home machines, like home espresso. I actually won this, so thank you to Micra, thank you to Breakfast Shirts, thank you for the people who voted. My plans for this thing, I'll probably put it in the cafe just for people to look at. I don't really deserve it at home, that's such a luxury. Get people to look at it, play around with it if they want, even do lessons. There's a lot that can come from this and content as well. I can do like some sweet bowls through the espresso and stuff. Briefly read the manual. Final thoughts. I love this thing. This is sick. The quality of this coffee is like up to, if not better than how it is at the cafe. Problem is when you have a machine like this, you need a really expensive grinder to fully get the most out of it. This is like a $6,000 machine. You need like a $1,000 grinder to actually get like the best. So what I do is go to the cafe, grind up my grounds, then bring it home. And as long as I do it within a few days, it's as good as the grinder. So yeah, I really love this thing. Thanks for watching.